Every single year, hundreds of thousands of snow geese descend upon Lost Bluffs National Wildlife Refuge. But why? Established in 1935, the refuge was created to be a feeding and breeding ground for migratory birds. The refuge has certainly lived up to its purpose, with upwards of 1 million snow geese visiting the refuge annually. The nearby Lost Bluffs and Missouri River floodplain make for the perfect mix of wetlands that allows migratory birds to take a rest. But where there are birds, there's predators. Hundreds of bald eagles typically accompany these geese, regularly scaring them up off the water. And when bird counts swell, it can make for the perfect storm, a snow goose tsunami.